Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at examples in Venn diagram. In the other classes, we learned that Venn diagram. In previous classes, we learned that Venn diagram is that diagrammatical. Good. You understand? When you represent set diagrams, where the rectangular shape is the what? Universal set, and the circles is for the different sets, isn't it? We'll call it Venn diagram. Now we can solve arithmetic problems using this Venn diagram. So let's take this one. In a class containing 32 students, what does this mean? 32 students. The universal set is what? The number is what? 32. A student can either do government or what? History. It's either you're doing government or what? History. Or both, or you can do both. That's intersection between the two, isn't it? If 16 students do government, 16 students do government, 18 students do history, 18 students do what? History. 3 do not do any of them. 3. None of the subjects. Find how many students do both. So what are we looking for? X. Is that clear? So to represent this in a Venn diagram, what we do is that first of all we draw the what? Universal set. So we draw this and say universal set equal to what? 32. Now, a student can do either government or history. You understand? What does that mean? The intersection of government and what? History is X, because they didn't tell us the number of students. Now, 16 students do government. That means that the people doing only government will be 16 minus people that do both government and history. Can you say that? Now, 18 people do history. Means that 18 minus X, only history. And 3 people do none of the subjects. Find X. So that is what we are supposed to find. Exactly. We are supposed to find X. So simply we say that the number doing government is 16. Number doing history is 18. Number not doing any of them is what? 3. G union H prime. Is that clear? Yeah. So now we equate everything, we add up everything and equate them to what? Universal set. Everything inside here must be equal to universal set. So how do we equate? People that are doing only government, 16 minus X, plus people that are doing only history, 18 minus X, plus people that are doing both history and government, X, plus people that are doing none of the subjects, 3, equal to what? 32. So we'll make X the subject of the formula. X will be equal to what? 5. So that means that people doing both history and government is what? 5. What are people doing only government? It will be what? 16 minus 5, which is what? 11. People doing only history will be what? 18 minus 5, that is what? 13. Is that clear? So now you can find out the people doing both, people doing only H, which is 13, and people doing only G, which is what? 11. Is that clear? So that is how you do the calculation. Separate all of them in Venn diagram form. Then pick them one by one and add them up and equate them towards the universal set. Make X the subject, find out. So you cannot take the answers. If they ask you to find the number of students doing both, you can answer. If they ask you the number of students doing only geography, you also solve out. After finding X, you will now be subtracting. You understand? To get the individual stuff. So if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button, like and share our video. Thank you very much.